Although maybe I have a leftover worm in my tooth.
I like the sound, I'm sorry.
So, I'm hungry. And Matt has food for me to try.
Right, so this video is going to be a little bit off the norm because we wanted to try something new, like we do. And so what we're going to try is, and this will be short, so don't get too comfortable with this. We're going to eat some bugs.
Because I'm hungry.
We got bugs here. We have got crickets and larvettes.
Bacon and cheese crickets.
And Mexican spice larvettes. So we're just gonna dive in and eat these. What do you think they'll taste like?
I'm assuming this is going to taste like Mexican spice and this is going to taste like bacon and cheese.
With a little bit of extra crunch.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what about texture? What do you think for the texture?
Yeah, probably crunchy, because it looks like they've been in this box for a while, probably all their lives.
The
and
taste.
most of their afterlife.
The taste might be okay, but it's the texture that's going to be...
Noted. Okay, so we'll check this out.
So we have some larvettes. Or larvettes. Mexican spice, I'm not even sure what that is. Jeez, they don't want you in these bugs, do they?
Oh, they won't open. I guess we can't eat them.
Okay, naysayer.
What do you think?
Are we supposed to eat them now?
I think I'm gonna try one.
Go for it.
Alright. You know what? I think I'm gonna have another one. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know what the heck Mexican spice is, but it's pretty dang good on a larvette. Uh-huh. What do you think, Michelle?
Well, I have to since you did. Okay. Down the hatch. Wasn't that bad.
How's the texture?
Not as bad as I think these are going to be. Not bad. I couldn't really taste a whole lot.
Try another one.
I taste Mexican spice.
Cheers. Well, that tastes like Mexican spice. And so did the next one.
And so on and so forth. Sorry, I ate what was left. I could probably eat the rest of these, but
Stick them all in your mouth. Do them all. Can you do them all at once? Go ahead.
You know,
Yeah. Do it. He should do it, right?
like the whole thing.
The whole thing.
Like the whole thing.
The whole thing.
Okay. Well, let me make sure I get it all then. Don't leave out any of the spice. Oh wow, now it's all over my hand. I feel like if they were alive, it should be a little different and a little weird. But, really? It's almost like just eating a chip.
They were
really-
kind of like chips.
A really, really thin corn chip. Or worm chip. Sorry, I gotta get all the Mexican spice I can.
Based on the larvettes, I think the bacon and cheese crickets will taste like bacon and cheese. The texture, however, might be a little more difficult to get over. However, people eat crickets on a regular basis and don't die.
So let's just find out.
Does not smell like bacon and cheese.
No?
No.
Does it smell like cricket?
It smells like...
As long as it doesn't smell like a stink beetle, I think we'll be okay.
I'm thinking like dog snacks.
Oh, yeah.
These are more like dog snacks. think I see an eye. I think that was an eye. Poked his eye out.
It is a face.
It's a face. Ugh. All right.
He's got a face. I got a face. It's all gonna be all right.
I'm gonna eat the cricket face. Is that a good enough piece?
No.
No. How about if I eat the cricket butt
How about?
with a face? I'll eat a butt face.
You better throw a leg in there too.
Oh, a couple legs.
Couple legs, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. Crunchy. They kind of disintegrate and taste like what I imagine dog food tastes like.
So not bacon and cheese?
Not bacon and... You know what? Probably bacon and cheese dog treats is probably what it tastes like, but not real bacon and cheese.
So artificial bacon and cheese.
Yes. Not bad though.
I think this one's got my name on it.
I think I see Jess written all over it.
Ah, there's a J on the back.
Add a couple legs.
Yes, a couple legs. Got myself a good little crooked head. It's a good one. Crunchy. Not so much dog food though.
What do you got?
I got something, but it isn't bacon and cheese. It's definitely, I don't know, it's like a spice of some sort, but it's not no Mexican spice either. Not bad though.
Trying new things, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and try this just so you guys don't have to. I'll let you know exactly what I think. Let's grab this guy because he's got some eyeballs. Let's grab this guy because I have no idea. Oh, he's got some eyeballs too. Oh, here's a big juicy leg.
It's not really that juicy.
Oh. Bottoms up! There's almost like a softer sunflower seed.
A
Yeah.
disintegrating sunflower seed.
Yeah. Not so bad.
If I had it to do over and I had to eat one, I would pick Larvette's Mexican spice.
Those were good. Alright, and we got one more surprise that we're going to go ahead and try. This is not a bug, but it's still something you wouldn't necessarily eat every day kind of thing. So it's more of a novelty gift. So here's my gift to you guys. What we have is these Sweet Fire Sriracha popping lollipop candies. So, I don't know. It says strawberry flavored. How bad can it be, right?
Strawberry sriracha? I can't even say that. Strawberry sriracha? I don't know, man.
With lollipop.
With
a lollipop, how bad could it be?
I'd love to
Dip
lick
and
a
lick.
lemon lollipop.
Dip and lick Sweet Fire.
I think I broke my lollipop. We'll have to see how this goes here. Yeah, I think so. You gotta lick the lollipop and then you stick it in the sriracha.
Strawberry.
So then it should say lick and dip instead of dip and lick.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah!
Because it looks like those are the instructions.
Come on, people at the China Candy Company.
Facts.
You ready? Get you some of that!
I'm afraid to.
Mm.
It's like adult Pop Rocks.
Yeah, Pop Rocks. It's actually really good. I haven't got any spice yet, I guess.
Smell it. Mm-hmm. That's what I said.
Well, that's a weird smell.
What in the world are you doing?
I'm mixing it up
Oh, okay.
so that maybe I can get some spice. We'll see.
Spice up your life.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the lollipop is the strawberry flavor.
Yeah.
I like it.
Who would have thought of mixing sriracha with candy?
Seriously.
That's who would have thought.
Alright. It's time.
What do you think?
Well, you know, looking at these instructions. Yeah, the instructions. Looking at the ingredients list, sriracha is not on them.
Mmm.
Sugar, corn syrup, lactose, malic acid, carbon dioxide, artificial flavor, artificial color. Lollipop is sugar, starch, syrup, artificial flavor, and artificial color.
Oh, wow. You're right.
Sounds like you're filling up the glass.
I don't recommend pouring it in your mouth.
No?
Remember the smell that was in the bag?
The smells in your
It
mouth.
tastes great. It's pretty damn good. I'd eat this again, but
The smells in your mouth now?
now, whatever smelled funky in the bag,
Is in your mouth.
other than that, pretty good.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. I liked it. I love Pop Rocks. And the flavors were not bad and it wasn't that hot.
All in all, I think I'd rather have crickets.
Not I.
Someone's still enjoying something back there.
Like and subscribe!